Question number 1.10, they are telling, okay, state the number of significant figures. Here you have to state the number of significant figures. Okay, so to find the significant figures, actually there are two rules. Okay, in many books I have seen there are 6 rules, 7 rules, 8 rules. Depending upon the book, you will see various number of rules, but ultimately there are 2 rules. Okay, if you remember these 2 rules, that's it. You have to ignore some zero. This is the rule. So which zeros you should ignore? Okay, if you remember this, then it is over. The first thing is all the zero from the left side to be ignored, and this is the basic rule, you know. And the second thing is the zeros from the right side you have to ignore if there is no decimal available in the point, in the number. You got it? So let me repeat this. All the zeros from the left side until you are getting a non-zero number, those I am calling as left-sided zeros. So all the left-sided zeros, irrespective of whether the number has decimal digit or not, all the left-sided zeros should be ignored. This is the first thing. Second thing, right-sided zeros. So what are right-sided zeros? So if you move from the right side, then the zeros until a non-zero number is coming are called right-sided zeros. So the right-sided zeros shall be ignored if there is no decimal point in the number. Got it? So you have to ignore left-sided zeros irrespective of whether a decimal point is available or not in the number, and you have to ignore right-sided zeros if there is no decimal point in the number. That's it. These 2 rules are enough to solve any question, okay, if they are telling find the number of significant digit. You can write, guys, comment in the comment section if you find that I need to add any other point to find the significant digit. You can write in the comment box, because in many books some additional rules are available. Those rules are not required. Okay, so I will write the rules here first. Okay, let me write the rules here. So what are the rules? Okay, you have to ignore something, so I will write ignoring zero. I will write, okay, ignoring zeros. I will write. So which zeros you have to ignore? Left-sided zeros. I have told you guys, left-sided zeros are the zeros you have to move from the left side and you have to go until a non-zero number is coming. Okay, always that is to be ignored. And the second one is right-sided zeros. Right-sided zeros. Okay, if there is no decimal point in the number, that's it, over. For example, let me tell you, so left-sided zero, you don't see any decimal. Okay, this is very easy. For second thing, for B, you can see, for example, if you write 1200, okay, you have to ignore these 2 zeros because there is no decimal here. But if the number is like this, 12020000, you cannot ignore now because decimal is available. Got it? For left-sided zeros, if it is 0.001, you have to ignore this. Don't see whether decimal is available or not. If the number is like this, 0100, again you have to ignore the left-sided zero. That's it. Don't check decimal for left-sided zeros. Got it? So now let me solve now. So let me solve now. See, question number A, you see. Question number A, you see. the number is 0.007. Okay, 0.007. So ignore this 3 0, that's it. So how many number? Only 7 is there. So answer is what? One answer, isn't it? Now in B you tell me 2.64 into 10 to the power 24. Okay, this is what? Okay, this number you can write as, see, the first thing is, if you see some number is written as a into 10 to the power b, then 10 to the power b, okay, this is ignored. This b is called order of magnitude, isn't it? So number of significant figure in a, here 2.64 will be the number of significant figure in the number itself. So here there are 3 significant numbers, so number of significant digit will be 3 here. Okay, so 3 is the answer. 3 is the answer. But if you now tell me you are now including on more additional rule, then I will tell you guys 2.64 into 10 to the power 24 can be written as 264 into 10 to the power 22, isn't it? So now you see there is no decimal in this number. So these 22 numbers zeros are right sided zeros. So I can ignore now this. So in that case also you will get the answer is 3. Okay. Now in question number C you tell me, see here left sided 0, let me write this first, 0.2370. okay, so this is one left sided 0, I have to ignore this irrespective of the decimal number. Now right sided 0, I cannot consider the condition now because the decimal is available, so the answer is 4. So answer is 4 is the answer. 1 2 3 4 4 is the answer here. Okay, now D, what is the number? 6.320. okay, in right side only 1 0 is there, but the problem is decimal is available, I cannot ignore. So answer is again 4. okay, 4 is the answer. Now E, you tell me 6.032. there is no left sided 0, there is no right sided 0 here. So answer is 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 is the answer. 4 is the answer. Now F 0.006032. These are the left sided zeros irrespective of decimal point, ignored. So 1 2 3 4 is the answer again. 4 is the answer. If there is any doubt, write in the comment section, I will help. Okay, hope you understood.